National Handloom Day. August 7th was chosen as the National Handloom Day to commemorate the Swadeshi movement, which was launched on this day in 1905 in Town Hall of Calcutta to protect against the partition of Bengal by the British government. The government declared 7th August as National Handloom Day on July 2015 with an objective to generate awareness about the importance of handloom industry. Handloom sector is one of the major symbols of cultural heritage in India. Apart from that, it continues to be the source of livelihood, especially for women who form around 70% of the weavers. Let's honor the community of weavers for their exquisite work and stand in solidarity for their contribution towards Indian socio-economic development and aim to resolve and protect this rich heritage.